Hi guys, welcome to airdrop spot and welcome to today's tutorial. So it's the week 2 of the Arbitrum Odyssey and our first interaction of the day is to go to TofuNFT, and what we are expected to do here is to buy an NFT or sell an NFT. So the first thing you need to make sure of is that your wallet is on the Arbitrum network, and remember, every interaction that you do for the Arbitrum Odyssey is going to be on mainnet, and then you're going to be needing Arbitrum for gas fee and every other fee that you may need to do. So I'm out of my wallet now. We are back to the TofuNFT website. Go to that person icon and then connect your wallet. Select MetaMask or any other wallet that you are using. Then tap on next and then connect. So what we are going to do now is, if you want to buy NFT, then we are going to scroll through all of the collections that we are seeing here, and then you buy anyone that you want. But an advice is that you go to that filter where you see newest and then select price from low to high. You don't want to buy the highest NFT here. We are trying to manage funds, so you are going to select low to high so that you can see the cheapest one first, and you can select from any of the cheapest one that you see. And if you still want to go ahead and buy the expensive one, it's fine. So I have seen the one I want to buy. I initially wanted to go for that footwear, but I liked the Fox NFT better, so I'll be going for the Fox one. Okay, so here is it, and it costs 0.0006 ETH. That's about $1. So I'll tap on buy now. And then I'm going to confirm that in my wallet. Together with the gas fee, it cost about $2.26 worth of Arbitrum 1. Yay, the transaction is successful. So you tap on done, and if you want, you can also sell the same NFT that you just bought, or you can use this website and sell any other NFT that you have in your wallet. But if you want the transaction to count, then the NFT you are selling has to be on the Arbitrum one. So tap on the icon beside the notification bell and then tap on items. That is where you see any NFT that you have on your wallet. And this is the Fox NFT that I just bought, so I'm going to tap on it. I want to sell the NFT back. Then I'm going to tap on fixed price, or if you want people to bid for the NFT and then you want to sell it to the highest bidder, then you can select option, but I'll be using fixed price. Then I'm going to indicate the amount that I want to sell the NFT for. So I'll be selling the NFT for 0.008, and that will give me about $13 in Arbitrum ETH. But then the screen was not showing everything that is here, so I switched my browser to desktop mode, and then I'm going to start the process over again. I'm going to tap on fixed price, and then I'm going to enter the amount of ETH that I want to sell it for. So when your NFT is sold, then NFT to fund, they will take 2.5% of the amount you are selling it for as their own service charge. Then I'm going to tap on list item, and then the transaction will be sent to the blockchain. I'll confirm this in my wallet. I am required to approve and then confirm. Next, you are going to sign the signature request, so tap on sign. Then tap on sign again. And then your NFT has been successfully listed for sale. If you want to see every item that you are selling, you will go back to the icon beside the notification bell, and then you are going to tap on sale. That is where you will see any NFT that you have listed for sale. And then you can see the Fox NFT here. You can see the Fox NFT that I am selling for 0.008 ETH. You can see it here. Next, if you want to be notified when the website sells, when your NFT sells on the website, tap on the Telegram notification. Then switch that toggle button on Telegram is not connected, so switch it on. Tap on connect. Tap on send message, and then it is going to take you to their Telegram bot. All you need to do is tap on start, and then the bot will be connected to the website. So whenever your NFT is sold or somebody likes your NFT, you are going to be notified immediately. So that is that for NFT TOFUNNFT.com. We are going to move on to the next interaction. Next, we are going to our board exchange, and then you paste your link into another tab. Every link I use in this tutorial, I'll pin them in the comment section for your convenience. So this website does not run on mobile mode at all, so you have to put your browser on desktop mode. And then, let me zoom in my screen. You're going to tap on trade. Then choose MetaMask or wherever you have Arbitrum. Then tap on next and tap on connect. Then you'll see a prompt to sign a signature request. Sign it. So for this interaction, we'll be needing USDC, and if you can see, you'll see that my balance is showing 0 in USDC, which means I need to get USDC. So I'll show you how to get the USDC that you need. So I'll go into my MetaMask wallet, and I'm going to use the swap function of the wallet. Tap on swap. Then I'm going to swap some ETH for USDC.E. So tap on select token for the other pair and then search for USDC.E. Then indicate the amount of ETH that you would like to swap for that USDC.E. So the gas fee may be high at the point when you want to swap, so you have to be patient and wait until the gas fee will be much cheaper. So you can see that I can now swap, so I'll tap on that swap button. Now the swap is processing. The transaction is complete. We'll go back into my wallet and see if our USDC has been deposited. And so you can see I now have USDC in my wallet. Then we'll go back to the board exchange, and then we are going to place some trades. First, make sure that you are on the ETH and USDC pairing, and then let's go and check my balance. Now you can see that we did some swap earlier, but my balance is still showing 0. So this is what you do. Go to the top of your screen and then tap on your wallet address. Then tap on deposit. We will need to deposit some funds from your wallet address into your trading account. Then indicate the amount of USDC that you want to deposit into your trading account, then tap on approve. You are going to confirm the approval in your wallet. Now that the approval is successful, now you are going to deposit. Tap on deposit. The transaction has been submitted. Now if you go back to check my balance, you'll see that my USDC has been deposited to my trading account. Although in the process of making this video, I had to add to the amount of USDC I deposited because the minimum trading amount was bigger than what I transferred. So you can see I now have 2 USDC. So you're going to set the amount of ETH. I set the lowest amount, that's 0.001. and the appropriate amount of USDC will be there. Set your leveraging I am using just 1 times. Then tap on place limit order. Now if we check my balance, you are going to see that the limit order has been placed, but another way to confirm is we are going to, you can see my balance here. I now have 0.33 USDC as opposed to the 2 USDC that I have before. Then another way to confirm the status of your order is you go to the notification and then you'll find that at the top of your screen. And at the notification, you see the limit order I just placed. You can see that the limit order has been filled. That is why my balance reduced. And this is where you will find the notification. You see the bell icon there. That is where you find the status of every interaction that you do on this website. So I don't want to keep my funds here. I'm going to, short it immediately so that I can send my funds back to my wallet. So I'll switch to the sell tab. And again, I'll set the amount of ETH that I want to sell. And I'll place limit order. And then if you check the notification icon, you can see the status of my sell order. And then you see that the sell order is still open. It is not yet filled. So I came back later and the order has been filled. You can see my balance showing 1.99 USDC. So I want to send my funds back to my wallet, so I'll tap on the wallet address at the top of the screen, tap on withdraw this time. We tapped on deposit before, so select withdraw this time and then indicate the amount of USDC that you want to withdraw to your wallet. Then tap on withdraw. Then confirm that in your wallet. And then the withdrawal is successful. To confirm if it is successful or not, let's go into my MetaMask and then you can see that my USDC is back. Now I can easily swap the USDC back into Arbitrum, or I can leave it if there is another interaction that I'll be needing the USDC for. So after these 2 interactions, we're going to Galxe, and the first Galxe campaign that we'll be joining is for TofuNFT. So open up another tab and then paste the Galxe link there. You can find the Galxe link in the comment section as well as the video description. So here is the Galxe campaign for TOFUN, and the first task says to follow TOFUNNFT on Twitter. So I'll tap on that task. This will take me to Twitter and then I'll tap on the follow button. Afterwards, I'll go back to the campaign website. And then the second task is saying we should sell or buy an NFT on the TOFUN website, and we have done that at the beginning of this video. But remember that Galxe campaign for Arbitrum Odyssey is checked manually, so you would have to come back some hours after your interaction and then check again if it has been updated. Then we'll move on to the second Galxe campaign, and that is for the abort exchange. So open up a new tab and then paste the link for the second Galxe campaign. So we are at the Galxe campaign for abort exchange, and then you can see automatically this one has updated our interaction. You can see everything is checked and I can claim the NFT. So I'll be tapping on claim 1 NFT. Then I'll confirm the interaction in my wallet. Remember that every interaction on this Arbitrum Odyssey quest for 6 weeks is going to be on Arbitrum mainnet, because Arbitrum is on mainnet, so you need mainnet funds for all of these interactions. So you can see I have claimed the NFT. I'll check back later for the TofuNFT campaign, and then if it has been updated, then I'm going to also claim that NFT. Then I'll keep us updated in our Telegram channel when I claim my NFT. So that will be the end of today's video. If you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to leave me a comment in the comment section or ask your questions in our Telegram group. And if you have found value in any of my content, make sure you subscribe for more so that you don't miss out on any premium update. Like this video so that many others can also get to see it. You see, when you like a video, YouTube algorithm goes, wow, so this post is very important, then let me show it to another person. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in another tutorial.